Hey everyone. So I decided to bring it outside. Maria's got an awesome duck out here on this cabin. You can listen to the birds, see a few squirrels, aka tree rats, so they say. But I thought we would just listen to some birds chirping and throw some paint down on some birch boards. Hopefully they'll be dry before I leave on Saturday, and I'll have some videos for you guys to watch while we are here and also while we're on our way home. So, I'll let you listen to it for a second and then we're going to get started. It's just beautiful. All right, let's get to work. Okay, so birch board. This is a 10 by 10 birch board. I do have some silicone in my paints. I did bring them without silicone. So we're going to be using the Parage Posse Silver Lake Metallic, Parage Posse Silver Spoon, Parage Posse Moody Blue Shimmer. Those three will have silicone. I may put a little squirt of Sleeping Beauty Turquoise in there, and also the Parage Posse Purple Shimmer. So let's get started. My white does not have silicone. We're going to follow that with the Silver Lake. And then some silver. Woodpeckers. Some Moody Blue. Here's where I'll put a little bit of Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of white on there. We're going to go back at it. Silver. And the Moody Blue. Okay, now I'm going to give it a shot of Purple Shimmer down through the middle. And I'll drizzle a little bit more white on there. Okay. A little bit of construction going down at the bottom of the hill. It's not bothering me. Okay, let's flip that cup. I did not spray the cup with the WD-40 because I didn't want a bunch of little cells. I do want some white on top. Probably not level, because you know this isn't the pouring table at home. Okay. Ooh, let's tilt. I've been having so much fun here. I just am enjoying this zen. Just chilling out. Feeding a squirrel every morning. I give them peanut butter crackers. Alan and Maria call him Tree Rat. He's my tree rat. Get that back. We'll get this last corner. Kind of lost our purple there, but that's okay. Now I'll bring it back. Straighten all this out. Little spot I don't like here. Okay, now I'm going to torch that white area to see if we can get some more cells coming up through there. 'Cause I see them under there. Lots of itty bitties. See if I can bring it up and show you those little bitty cells. They're plentiful. Not hating this one. I love these colors together. Now I have the sides taped off on this birch board. So when this is cured, we'll do resin over the top and pull all the tape off the side so it has like a domed effect, and probably paint the sides silver. So there we go, guys. Got one done. Alright, so check out all the links below. Join the group. Shop with me on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies. And have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you on the next Ozark Mountain painting soon. Bye now.